Thank you all for coming. As per your uncle's wishes, the estate should be divided among his relatives. However, he had specific instructions regarding the property.
What did he say?
The estate should be sold in the process divided equally among Sarah, John, and Kevin. The proceeds from the sale are to support Kevin's career and cover any outstanding debts.
That doesn't seem fair. The state could fix a substantial amount. Why would Kevin give special consideration?
It was Uncle's wish. Kevin needs the support for his career and it also to clear his bills.
I appreciate the help, but I don't want to cause conflict. If there's a better way to handle this.
Excuse me, Alan. I've heard about the estate. I'm interested in purchasing it. I can offer you a substantial amount, but I'd like to negotiate.
We're still reviewing the terms of the will. The decision will be based on the stipulations laid out.
Mike, how about this? If you buy the estate for a high price, you could make a donation to Kevin's career. It might be worth considering.
That's an interesting proposal. I'm willing to negotiate if it helps everyone.
We need to consider Uncle's wishes. We can't just ignore them for personal gain.
Fine, but how do we get what he needs while maximizing the value of the estate?
We could set a base price for the estate that aligns with the will's requirements. Anything above that is not agreed upon.
I'd be happy with that arrangement. I don't want to be a burden.
I'll buy the estate at the best price, and any additional funds can go towards supporting Kevin. That way, the state fulfills its intended purpose.
That seems fair. It respects Uncle's wishes and support Kevin.
Alright, let's proceed with that. It's a compromise that would.
Very well. We'll proceed with this arrangement and ensure everything is handled according to the will. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And now dismiss.